Wow, look at this.
It looks like a biryani rice, right?
Yeah.
It's a taste like an Indian tomato rice. It's called Ozo.
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 Loving how you wind up.
Hey guys, so we here in Nigerian restaurant. So there's a music background playing right now. This
The
is what we
Nigerian.
have to do when we drop the kid to school, right?
Yeah. So we are here at the restaurant. I always say it's a Nigerian restaurant.
Yes.
So we wanted to here try jollof rice and goat meat
I have never tried it
and they
before.
have fried plantain. Jollof rice?
No,
Oh,
I never tried it.
yeah. Well, last time we tried fish soup and the yugusi soup and fufu.
Yeah.
So we ordered some jollof rice. We will let you guys know, how it's gonna be.
Yes.
And first, when we got here,
They handed out this
So-
one. It's like chips.
it's like a savory. It's really good.
Yes. Trying to like order the food that there's no meat or
Hope they didn't put jollof rice, maybe chicken or meat. So they told us it's only vegetarian.
yeah.
I'm assuming they put chicken bouillon. The chicken Maggi.
Oh yeah, that
I'm
one
sure
is.
there's a Maggi's inside.
Anyway, so so this is what happened when since Kyle started school. Now we have a free time together.
Yeah.
I feel like we've been missing this time. Ram has been super busy, and I've
And
been
next week is the school starting. So this is the last week of having fun. So we just have to have, time.
like a date or something.
Yeah, daytime, each other, just relax the for both of us,
Yeah.
for healthy relationship. Yeah, guys.
Healthy relationship. Yes. All right, so we already ordered the food right now. We're just waiting for the food to be here, and we can't wait to share that with you guys. So the food is here, guys.
Ta-da, ta-da.
Everything looks so delicious.
Look at our food, guys.
Oh my
Let me
gosh!
show you close.
Wow, look at this. So right here, I ordered jello fries with banana plantain, and this is goat right here.
and
Everything looks super delicious. Look at this. I can't wait to eat. The rice really looks good.
What
Kind of
about my
like
food?
look like a biryani rice.
Yeah, it looks like a biryani rice, right?
Yes.
Look at this, my food,
So apa, oh my god.
jollof rice and fried plantain. Guys,
Wow, so this is really good. The good thing about it, you had vegetarian.
yeah,
Which is a really great choice right
looks
here.
really nice. And I ordered them
Yes.
no meat, so let's taste first.
How do you like it? I think
Everything look the way they sell it up.
it's perfect.
Nice already.
This restaurant is really good. I like it.
Yeah, but look at this. It's kind of
I mean, it's good.
Oh, I can't wait to taste. Let me
Okay.
taste the jollof rice.
It looks really good. So it looks like there's a corn inside with
All the vegetable, yeah.
all vegetables. So let's try, guys. Really good.
நம்ம ஊர்ல நம்ம தக்காளி சாதம்னு சொல்லுவாங்க tomato rice. It's a taste like a Indian tomato rice or South Indian tomato rice. நாங்கள் நம்ம ஊரில் அம்மா அப்பா நம்ம வீட்டிலலாம் வந்து டொமேட்டோ ரைஸ் தக்காளி சாதம் சொல்லுவாங்க தக்காளி பாத்து இல்லைன்னா டொமேட்டோ பாத்து அப்போ பண்ணுறப்ப வந்து இது மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும் நல்லா இருக்குது செம்மையாக இருக்குது ஸ்பைஸியாக இருக்குது வெஜிடபுள்லாம் போட்டுருவாங்க and it's a taste like a South Indian tomato rice without not South Indian flavors,
Yeah, really good.
Zobo?
Yeah, ZOBO.
Zobo.
Yeah.
It's Zobo. So they offer us Zobo.
To try, and if
Yeah.
we like it, we can get it back, which
Yeah,
is really
it's
cool.
good. It's good. It's not bad. It's like a. It's made out. It's spicy too. Kind of spicy. Oh, ginger.
Ginger. Mm-hmm. Mixed with, I don't know.
It's good. It's more like a medicine, like a kasayam, like a medicine. Like it, guys. Good.
That was so nice of them bringing like a little bit in a cup,
Yeah.
so that way we can test banana plantain.
Oh my god, banana plantain is so good. How's the banana?
The banana is really good.
Yeah, it's really good.
I'm gonna try the goat right now, guys. Look at me.
Oh my god, this is a big piece, guys. Really
It's
good.
really huge. I thought it's gonna be a small piece, and it's really cooked, you know.
ஸ்டாண்டர்ட். ஸோ நம்ம ஊரில் போடும்போது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வந்து ஸ்கின் எடுத்துகிட்டு போடுவோம் கோட் மீட்டில், நம்ம ஆட்டுக்கறியில். இவங்க வந்து ஸ்கின்னை வந்து பர்ன் பண்ணி, ஸோ வித் தே யூஸ் த ஸ்கின். ஸ்கின் இஸ் ஸோ டேஸ்டி காய்ஸ். த கோட் சூப், யா.
So good.
So good food actually.
Wow. You wanna try a little bit?
Yeah, a little bit of soup.
Right. The goat is delicious.
Spicy.
Yeah, not
Oh
too
my-
spicy, but just
I think they put the Scotch bonnet pepper.
right, and
Yeah.
you can feel it.
Ooh, it's
Really,
good,
really
guys.
great.
So good.
So we're waiting for the drink. So right now,
Yeah.
I didn't finish my drink here.
It's called Ozo.
Ozo.
Ozo. You will ask one more time what is it, but
I forgot the name.
yeah, you say Ozo, I think.
Ozo.
I don't know. Alright guys, this is the first time we have been in Nigerian restaurant, right? No, actually we have another video, but that was a to-go.
Yeah.
We tried tilapia fish, we
Right.
tried egusi soup with the fufu.
It was really delicious. Jollof rice,
Jollof rice, I think. Jollof. But the first time we are having, eating Nigerian food
It's so
in the
delicious.
inside the restaurant. Here guys, the ZOBO is here.
Oh my gosh. This is a lot, baby. I didn't know that it's gonna come in there. It's too much.
I literally don't know what is inside. Hibiscus leaves.
Yeah.
I think there is another drink in Mexico they call Jamaica. Jamaica is similar to that without ginger, but it tastes really good, guys.
Really cool.
Loving how you wind up. For me, tonight is all on me. Mash up the place for me, yeah, yeah. She just wanna highlight. Ooh, that body talk to me. I need a taste, baby. Love it.
The
So-
food was amazing.
You're a chef, so you already.
Yeah, I kind of
approve
have an
it.
idea how to make jollof rice. I'm going to make jollof rice one day. I'm gonna
We
show you
wanna
guys.
see how delicious it is.
But this is good, we loved it.
It was super good, and
Yeah.
also the drink.
Oh, the drink. We want to talk about the drink, guys. ZOBO.
ZOBO.
ZOBO is a hibiscus leaves. You know,
Yes.
it's in Spanish they call it Jamaica. So what you guys do? Just they soak in the water for overnight. Ginger, lime juice. The taste was good. It's not too much sweet too. I think the ginger has a digestive power, and also ZOBO has a lot of benefits too.
Yeah. Yes.
So yes, guys. So he was a small.
They just wanted to take this little advantage to kind of spend the time before school starts. Starting next week, Ram is gonna be busy.
I have 3 more days to hang out with my wife, with my kids. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure follow us on Instagram,
Yes, at
and
ramandpie.
Facebook. Yes, ramandpie. We share a lot of other things too on Instagram.
Yes.
It's a lot of funny stuff. So anyway, guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.